Hello my Royals, welcome back to another video. I hope we are subscribed by now. Come on, make it official, okay? Hit that subscribe button and join the community. Anyways, in this video I'm going to show you how I made this unique hairstyle on our model today, okay? So keep watching. So for this hair tutorial, we're gonna need some combs, hair moisturizer to moisturize the hair, okay? And we're gonna need some rubber bands, all right? So as you can see, I've washed the hair, moisturized it, and combed it so that it can be smooth enough to start the hairstyle. Right now, I am trying to section it to the required parts for the hairstyle that we are doing today. Okay, so I started by sectioning the hair into 2 equal halves, okay? And then for the back, I had to go in and section it into 2 again, all right? Making the back to have 2 pattern, and from the front, I sectioned it into 4 pattern. You'll see in a minute. So you need to make the pattern to look as perfect as possible, okay? I was kind of struggling with my model today. She didn't want me to touch her hair at all, right? But I had to engage her with this iPad that she's holding so that she can at least entertain herself and keep her hair in place while we work on it, okay? So we started working on the middle part, all right? So what I did is that I sectioned it into smaller parts, and then I held it down with a rubber band, okay? And then I went in and joined the already done sectioned smaller parts to the one at the back in a crisscross like manner, all right? Just pay attention to this video, just pay close attention to it, okay? You will understand and see exactly what I did to the middle part, all right? So you're also gonna need some edge control to help smoothen the hair out. As you can see, it's a natural hair, okay? The hair is not relaxed, so edge control will make it look as smooth and as fine as possible. And also, please do not make the hair to be too tight for your kids, okay? So we are done with the middle part for the front, okay? And then we went ahead and started working on the sides, okay? And whatever I did on this particular side is also what I'm going to do on the other side for the front, okay? I just cornrowed it and that's it. Almost done. What you want was a light in the sky. Little star. What you want was so high in the sky. Little star. What is it?
Because I'm gonna make a game.
You don't want to do it?
I'm gonna confirm the game.
So I had to use time lapse and finish up the remaining part for the back. And what I did was what you guys saw me do earlier for the back, okay? And I went in with this sprays to smooth out the edge control that I used on her hair, because I don't want the edge control to have a white cast on her hair, okay? So that's what we're doing right now, as you can see.